Good evening, everyone. We are all gathered here for the installation of the office bearers of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin for the year 2020-2021. 2020 has been a very difficult year for the club, and not in the near history have we faced a situation where social gatherings were to be curtailed in this manner. So it's with utmost care that we have arranged this meeting, taking care of social distancing and following government rules for the pandemic. We have only about 10 other people gathered here, and I'm so glad that the rest of you could join us in the web platform. So on a more cheerful note, may I request everyone to please mute yourself in Zoom and also your phones, those who are gathered here. Thank you so much. So the dignitaries are already seated on the dais, and let me introduce them. District Secretary Asha Sunil, past District Chairman Padmaja Menon, incoming President Shyamala Gopakumar, and incoming Secretary Anita Thomas on the dais. Now, in the physical absence of our President Maya Jayaraj, who is present online, we have past District Chairman Padmaja Menon, who will be doing the honors. So before starting the ceremonies, I would like to say that even though we are taking utmost care to bring the program live to you on this web platform, please do forgive us for any unforeseen delays or glitches during the meeting. And any of the screen sharing reports that you are not able to see, we will be sending it in person to all of you. So let's start the ceremonies now. And I would like Maya Jayaraj, request President Maya Jayaraj, who is present online with us, to kindly call the meeting to order. Maya Jayaraj.
The meeting in connection with installation ceremony of the Innerville team for the year 2021 is called to order.
Thank you, Maya Jayaraj. No function can begin well without an incantation to the Almighty. I request our member Jai Sri Jayagumar to please render the invocation.
सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्या निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निकमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावत्थापि साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्.
Thank you, Jayashree. Now I call upon Bindu Harikrishnan to present the Innerville prayer. Please keep standing.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds, enter us with a desire to serve our fellow men. Remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our barge of Innerville worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Bindu. Now I call upon Rajeshri Rajendran to give her welcome address.
A very warm good evening to one and all. Today, we, Innerville of Greater Cochin, close the door to the past, open the door to the future, and take a deep breath, step on through, and start a new chapter in our club. Today, I have been assigned the duty to welcome all the members who have come here. Members, friends, and guests who are attending by virtual meet, we welcome you all for the installation ceremony of our new President Shyamala Gopakumar for the year 2020-2021. On this juncture, let me thank President Maya Jayaraj and Secretary Leena Shashindran for their meticulous work done during their tenure. Dignitaries on the dais, District Secretary Asha Sunil, past District Chairman Mrs. Padmaja S. Menon, incoming President Shyamala Gopakumar, incoming Secretary Anita Thomas. Welcome you all. From the bottom of my heart, let me welcome Chairman Deepti Anup. A few words of appreciation for Disha, which was very well organized and new experience. The participation of members was huge. A special mention for past President Ramya Kamesh, who took a lot of effort to make it a huge success. Congratulations and welcome you, Chairman. The blessings of Inner Wheel is the past district chairman. Their guidance and support means a lot. Let me welcome Grace Purvula, Sheila Philip, Dr. Lalita Thomas, Geeta Marcos, Meena Satish, Minu Roger, Shashikala Joy, Veenapati, Sindhu Sedu, and immediate past President Anita Srinivas. We welcome the District Vice President Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan, District ISO Jagruti, and District Treasurer Anita Nanjaya. Welcome you all. Welcome CGR Sajini Toby. Welcome Rotary President Rotarian Krishnadas. Welcome Rotary Secretary Rotarian Sandeep Nair. Few relations in earth never die. That is the real meaning of a friend. Let me welcome all the friends from Sister Club President and Secretaries of Group 2. Last but not the least, our own members. Welcome you all. Let us enjoy Inner Wheel. Let us stay safe and let us be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajeshri. That was one inspiring welcome speech with all the right adjectives. So now I request President Maya Jairaj to give the presidential address. So we will actually play the video of our presidential address.
Respected District Chairman Deepti Anup, District Secretary Asha Sunil, CGR Sajini Tomi, Rotary President Krishnadas, Secretary Sandeep, PDCs, President and Secretaries of Sister Clubs, distinguished guests, and my beloved Inner Wheel members. A good evening to all of you. Let me thank each one of you for giving him an opportunity to lead the club, and I really enjoy the period. Before going in detail, let us remember and pay tributes to our beloved members Prabha Chechi and Jayasri Ashar, whose smile and generous contributions for our service project and charismatic presence for our program is a real miss to our club. During this period, our member strength increased by 15%, our club attendance were increased by 60%, and in festival season it may go beyond 80%. So we really enjoy each and every club meeting. Participation in service project and district events are in good numbers, with South Zone Meet 12 members, National Meet at Udaipur with 12 members, Golden Jubilee 30 members, District Conference 10 members. Under the project No Plastic, we were able to distribute more than 500 plus saplings, and we initiated community farming at Bhavan's Vidya Mandir School. Orphanage adoption is a continuing effort from the club by contributing clothes, utensils and food items during each club meeting and distributing those to needy ones. Taking the fact that demographic nature of our country today with 50% children below 15 years, our responsibility for the education support was done through training programs and infrastructure support for our adopted schools and other schools. Our international theme of caring for woman and child were done by supporting women with financial aids and women empowering through vocational aids, which were done meticulously. In the sector support to the blind children, our focus is to improve their skills in their vocation by helping them in participation in the national and international support meets. GC joined hands with Government Hospital for the Project Sanjeevani for reducing infant mortality rate. Okay? And each month we contributing a lot to the hospital. I have been extremely fortunate to have a great team around us. They knew what was needed and they got on with the job and produced remarkable results. I would like to thank all members for the way they have supported, and thank you each and everyone for keeping the club active and interesting. I earnestly convey that I will wholeheartedly support and wishing all the best for our incoming president Shamla Gopakumar and her team. Thank you and all the best to each and every members.
Thank you so much for that enlightening speech with a lot of insights to the club. So now we are all anxious to hear what all has been happening in our club. So to give a synopsis, let's hear the Secretary's report from Leena Shashindran. We'll be playing the video online.
Good day to all. The year 2019-20 will always be memorable for me, thanks to the love and support given by all the members. It was a matter of great pride for me to be the secretary of such a prestigious club, Greater Kochi. Our club enjoyed a successful year in terms of membership, growing by 15%. This success was led by our great vibrant team under the presidency of Maya Jairai. Sorrowfully inform you that we lost two of our beloved members, Prabha Chechi and Jayashri Asher. The board was able to meet once a month since the year began in June 2019 to address items of business dotted with lively discussion. I have immense pleasure in sharing with you the various projects our club carried out during last year. We contributed to a variety of projects, out of which two have been our ongoing long-time projects and one which was started recently will be a continuous one. Not on our projects. We started with Vanamahotsav celebration. Our club members planted trees at Bhavan's Vidyamandir School on the World Environmental Day and at multipurpose community auditorium premises. Also planted trees at Park Central Hotel and distributed saplings on the installation day. We conducted and participated in seminars on World Breastfeeding Week. Also took part in the promotion of breastfeeding and the Nectar of Life, the Milk Bank project at EMC Hospital. Conducted a seminar on empowering parents, enabling breastfeeding now and for the future at Government Hospital. Also distributed 100 food kits containing oats, Horlicks, Boost, biscuits for pregnant ladies and breastfeeding mothers. Our club supported Miss Selina, caretaker of a crematorium. Our member Jyoti gave a sewing machine to Miss Lilitha Sukumaran to support her family. The club also provided monetary support to the blind children who participated in the sports events. We conducted an awareness class on plastic removal and environmental protection on World Environmental Day at Bhavan's Vidyamandir Schools, Cochin. We promoted Sanjeevani, a project initiated to reduce IMR at Government Hospital. The objective was to promote awareness to mothers, expectant mothers and bystanders about the importance of hand washing and using sanitizer, etc. Monetary support and meals given to 104 people in Home Kundampuram Old Age Home. We distributed clothes and provisions to Keparnam Orphanage having 250 inmates. We celebrated Eid festival at Home of Faith and Orphanage and distributed sweets to the 25 inmates. Distributed school bags, burner and cooker to the VJB school Udayam Perur, where 180 students were benefited. Also on Independence Day, we participated in the celebration and inaugurated the upgraded kitchen. Scholarships given to 5 students of Assisi School, the School of Children with Autism, and to special girls students who are deaf and dumb. Celebrated International Yoga Day at SN School Ayappankavu, Ernakulam, and provided training in yoga. Also conducted computer training sessions to 500 students at the school. Organized orientation program on environment protection to 300 students at Bhavan School. Financial support was given to 25 blind children for national and international sport events. Our club adopted 6 students from Shraddha School, the School of Special Children, and also distributed furniture and shelves. Provided support for children at Madhavam, Home for Adopted Children, where 42 children benefited. Donated study materials with a large mirror for speech therapy in Agostino Visili School for deaf and dumb. We distributed study materials to Anganwadis at Alinchodu, Tamanam and Elamkulam, and also at to VJB School. Promotion of green concept was undertaken by the club by distributing saplings to Agostino Visili School for deaf and dumb children. We facilitated computer and spoken English training for the 10th standard students at SNHS School for 104 students. The club trained 32 teachers at SNHSS Thirukkanarvattam, Ernakulam. National Builder Award was given to Mrs. Rajalakshmi, Best Teacher at SNHSS Thirukkanarvattam, Ernakulam. We also donated furniture including PA system to VJB school. Distribution of furniture and shelves was undertaken at SNHSS school. Scholarships for 6 SSLC toppers of SNHSS school were given out. Vocational awards for the winners for drawing and painting competition were also sponsored. Participated in Independence Day celebration at VJB school Udayamperur and Anganawadi at Alinchuvadu. Onam celebrated with distribution of clothes and food at Anganwadis of Tammanam, Alinchuvadu and also at Old Age Home Kundumpuram. We adopted a village at Malingara in association with SN College. A formal association meeting was conducted at college campus. The social service projects were planned at the village, including a cancer awareness camp. Our members participated in almost all events like National Meet, District Conference, cultural events and Golden Jubilee celebrations and flag exchange in the events. We combined the Rajasthan tour with Udaipur conference, also arranged a tour to Adirapalli where almost all members came along and had fun. Not only were our projects meaningful, our monthly Janam Modi meetings also were worthwhile and entertaining. Our member Dr. Gracie Thomas delivered an informative talk on women and menopause, while on the lighter side there was Kaikotikali games, etc. too. That's all about our activities carried out during last year. We hope to continue to think ahead and aim high to make our projects more meaningful. Thank you.
Thank you, Leena, for that elaborate report. Now, here comes the star of the day, our incoming president, Shyamala Gopakumar, a very well-known figure among all of us. But apart from the fact that she is an all-rounder, which I personally know, there are a lot of things we could love to hear about her. So I request Kamal Ravimon to officially introduce our incoming president, Shyamala Gopakumar.
Good evening, everybody. Dignitaries on the dais, all invited guests, and our own Dinaville sisters. I have been assigned the pleasant task of introducing Shyamala Gopakumar. In one word, I can say she is an all-rounder. She tries to put in fullest effort in whatever she does. No doubt she excels in whatever she undertakes. Shyamala has graduated from Holy Cross College, Nagarkovil. She is socially very active and can be associated with a few social organizations for a very long time. She had been our club president earlier during the year 2011-12. She is an active member of our Innerville and had been our CGR. She was the conference secretary during chairmanship of our PDC Meenu Roger. She is the recipient of the coveted Star Service Award during the time of PDC Chitra Vivek in the year 2016. She had held positions like Vice President of Lotus Club on 2 occasions and is currently the Secretary of Ernakulam Women's Association. She is a great organizer and had been in charge of the centenary celebration of Ernakulam Women's Association during the year 1890. She had time and again proved herself to a great organizer both in Innerville and in other social circles. She is married to architect Rotarian Multiple Paul Harris Fellow S. Gopakumar, who is a practicing architect with Kumar Group. She is blessed with son Anuj, and who is practicing architect with Kumar Group, who is married to Neeta, a teacher in Global Public School. Daughter Arati is a practicing structural engineer in USA and is married to Tushar Nair, an IT professional. She is blessed with 3 grandchildren. Friends, I have great privilege to introduce to you Shyamala Gopakumar, our incoming president. All the very best, Shyamala.
Thank you, Kamal, for that inspiring introduction about this lovely lady. I'm sure her skills doesn't come as a surprise to anyone. So now to do the honors, we are coming to the crucial event of the day. So President Maya Jairaj will be handing over the office to Shyamala Gopakumar. So Maya, as she's online, she would like to say a few words. Maya, can you unmute yourself?
I install Mrs. Shyamala Gopakumar, the President of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin for the year 2021 and wishing her all success.
PDC Padmaja Menon for the collaring of our incoming president, Shyamala Gopakumar.
With the permission of Maya and all of you present here and members of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, I have great pleasure in installing Shyamala Gopakumar as the 31st President of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin.
You can all give a huge round of applause.
Shyamala, I adorn you with the presidential collar.
The pin and the charter will also be handed over by PDC Padmaja Menon to our new president. I don't think anyone heard that. I would like you to speak in the mic.
With great pleasure, I present to you the 31st President of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, Mrs. Shyamala Gopakumar. All the best, Shyamala and team, and let's hope that we'll have a rocking year 2020-2021.
So now we have our new president. A big round of applause for her. You may now install Maya Jairaj as the immediate past president.
I hereby install Maya Jairaj as immediate past president of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin in the year 2020-21.
Maya?
I accept the past president of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin for the year 2021.
Thanks, Shyamala. All the best.
So I request our new president, Shyamala Gopakumar, to proceed to her acceptance speech.
Changes are inevitable and not always controllable. What can be controlled is how you manage, react to, and work through the change process. Past President Maya Jairaj, Innerville Chairman Deepti Anup, District Secretary Asha Sunil, CGR Sajini, the PDC Padmaja, the respected past district chairman, Rotary Club of Greater Cochin President Rotarian Krishna Das, Secretary Sandeep, Sister Club President, Secretaries and members, our own Innerville sisters, invited guests and family. Good evening and welcome to you all. Let me first take this opportunity to congratulate the past President Maya Jairaj and her team of office bearers for the wonderful year they have given to the Innerville Club of Greater Cochin. For the year 2019-20, the projects and program they have taken up and completed over the last year has brought our club many an appreciation in Innerville and among the public. Today, I feel proud to stand before you to deliver this acceptance speech for taking over the position as the president of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin. However, having said that, I realize that I am taking up this prestigious position, which has been earlier adorned by great presidents who have done exemplary work in their respective years. As I had said during the start of this speech, change is inevitable and not always controllable. The present situation we are and how we are now conducting this installation itself is a proof of unprecedented change which has come about in all our life. But again, what we can control is how you manage to react to this situation, work through this process of change to attain our goal for this Inner Wheel year. I believe the theme of Inner Wheel this year of Lead the Change cannot be more apt in this present scenario. At this juncture, I seek blessings from Lord Almighty and also the support from all the past presidents, the district chairman Deepti Anup, the district secretary Asha Sunil, CGR Sajani, PDCs, Rotarians of Greater Cochin and the district, along continuous unconditional support and advice. I am sure I will be able to lead the club to the sustain the splendor it always well known for. It is now time for us to change our way of thinking and approach to set new goals and new paths by which we will able to touch and serve humanity. I'm also very happy to announce that we already started our activities for this year, like the face shields, masks and gloves contributed to the Lady Police Force. COVID kit worth rupees 15,000 include PPE kit, N95 masks, oximeter and glucometer to Government Medical College, Kalamassery. Our member Rajashree and Jyoti Surendran donated COVID kit worth rupees 3,000 to an NGO, Teru Velcham, run by Teruvoram Murugan at Kakanad. We contribute rupees 4,000 worth thrice to fishermen of the COVID affected area in Chellanam. Our member Mini George gave rupees 40,000 to Assisia Special School, Uchakal. The money was handed over to Principal of Assisia, Sister Dolly. I sincerely thank all the members who have helped in completing these projects at this pandemic situation. Also, a special thanks to our sisters who have personally contributed the same. This shows that as a club, we will continue to work for humanity irrespective of the situation we find ourselves. We are willing to make the change to lead the march of the service to the needy people around us. As I stand before you to take up the position of President of Inner Wheel Club of Greater Cochin for the second time. The first time was in 2010-11. I solicit the support and encouragement of everyone present here and joining online. Let us together open our arms. Let us together hold our hands. Let us together open our hearts. Let us together make a difference. Let us together lead the change. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was so inspiring, and I'm sure you will take the club to new heights, even in this present scenario. So next we come to the official induction of the office bearers. We have few of our committee members present here, so they will be pinned here itself. So first, let me. So Shamla Gopakumar will be inducting everyone. Vice President Kamal Ravimohan.
I hereby install Kamal Ravimohan as Vice President of Inner Wheel Club of Greater Cochin 2020-21.
Thank you, President. I accept this position as Vice President of Inner Wheel Club of Greater Cochin for the year 2020-21.
Thank you.
Secretary Anita Thomas.
It is my pleasure to install Anita Thomas as Secretary of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin 2020-21.
I hereby accept the position of Secretary for the year 2021 in the will of Greater Cochin.
Thank you, Anita. Now, the next one is Joint Secretary Minnie George. She will be, her video will be played. You can continue.
I hereby install Minnie George.
President Shamala, I accept the post of Joint Secretary.
Next one is Treasurer Leena Shashindran.
I hereby install Leena Shashindran as Treasurer of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin in the year 2020-21.
Thank you, President. I accept the position as Treasurer.
Next is ISO Shakila Ramesh.
I hereby install Shakila ISO.
Thank you, President. I accept this position as ISO.
Next is our editor, Jancy George.
It is my pleasure to introduce Jancy as our editor.
Hi everyone, hope you are all well. I accept the role as editor of Innerville. Thank you.
Next is Community Service, Ramani Johnson.
Hereby I install Ramani as Community Service.
Thank you, Shamala. I accept the position of Community Service.
Now, next is our Program Coordinator, Simi Sakaria, who is present here.
I hereby install Simi Sakaria as Program Coordinator.
Thank you, President. I accept this position as Program Coordinator.
Thank you.
Next, it's actually me, myself, and I am actually the Technical Program Coordinator.
I install Gauri as Technical Coordinator of our program, all our programs. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I accept this with my wholeheartedness. Thank you. Next one is Attendant Zuhara Jabbar. Attendance Zuhara Jabbar.
I install Zuhara Jabbar as attendance.
Thank you, President. I accept the position as attendance charge.
Next is our advisory board, Rajeshri Rajendran, who is present here.
I install Rajeshri Rajendran as our advisor of the board.
Thank you, Shamla. I would like to take the post of the advisory board member of our club 2020-2021.
And the last but not the least is the next advisory board, Jyoti Surendran.
I install Jyoti Surendran as advisor of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin 2020-21.
President Shamala Gopakumar, I accept the post of advisor with pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much, President Shamala Gopakumar. Our club has a lovely history of doing community services every year. This year also we have identified genuine cases and some of them are here as well. Now I request our District Secretary, Asha Sunil, to please come forward and hand over a check of rupees 10,000 to Miss Minnie of Hope World Old Age Home, Edappalli, for the meals to be provided to the inmates. This amount is contributed by our past president, Mrs. Maya Jayaraj. I thank her on behalf of our club. Thank you so much. I also request our District Secretary, Asha Sunil to please hand over a cash amount to Miss Meenu Raju on behalf of our club. She is a nursing student and this is for her purpose of education. Please come forward, Miss Meenu. Thank you so much. This year, our club is proud to help Atul Krishna, who has passed his 10th standard with flying colors, even though he is physically challenged with cerebral palsy. We should give a huge round of applause for his positivity in which he has come up in life. And we have his mother, Ramya Sunil, who is here with us today. I request PDC Padmaja Menon to please hand over this cash check. Ramya Sunil, please come forward. Actually, I will be sharing some photos of the family later. Her husband also passed away due to some major illnesses. Please collect it on our club's behalf. As Atul was not able to come, we would like to share a few pictures, 2 pictures of his family. This is Atul Krishna, you are seeing on screen. And that is his family. He has actually passed 10th standard with flying colors, and we congratulate him on our club's behalf as well. Now it's time for felicitations. I actually am looking at all the people online, and so on the absence of Deepti Anup, I request District Secretary Asha Sunil to felicitate the gathering.
Good evening, respected President Shyamala Gopakumar, District Chairman Deepti Anup, CGR Sajani Toby, Secretary Anita Thomas, PDC Padmaja S. Menon, immediate past President Maya Jayaraj, Secretary Leena Shashina. Dear members of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, sister clubs, district executive members, Innerville dignitaries, and the Rotarians present today. It gives me immense pleasure to be present and witness the installation ceremony of a dear friend, Shyamala Gopakumar, who's taking up the mantle of presidentship not once. This is the second time, apparently. And I think she's the most fitted person as in these challenging times to take up this post. Listening to all the service and the coveted posts already held by President Shyamala, I think I repeat that she is the most fitted person to become the president of your prestigious club. Your club currently has 56 members. That is a wonderful number. The benchmark set by immediate past President Maya Jayaraj is quite high, listening to the number of projects that has already been done last year. But all the same, we all should remember and keep in mind that we are going through a very challenging period because of the COVID pandemic. And utmost priority should be given to safety. And don't forget, keep always in mind about social distancing and to wear masks. All the same, there will be a lot of appeals. A lot of people are going through difficult times, and it's only right for us to do whatever we can in these difficult times to help out our lesser fortunate brothers or sisters. But always remember, safety is of utmost concern. Social distancing is a necessity. So is wearing a mask. I've just taken off the mask only because I'm in front of the mic and people are not next to me. We should also remember August 1st to 7 is the breastfeeding week. That is coming up very soon. We have to think of ways how best we can promote breastfeeding awareness. This will be done. It will be one of a kind probably this time, because we've never had this kind of a situation anytime in the near future. So we should all sit together, your club should sit together and think of how you can promote breastfeeding awareness this August 1st to the 7th. Maintaining social distancing, of course. Then I take this opportunity to offer my heartfelt wishes and congratulations to immediate past President, dynamic Maya Jairaj, and extremely supportive Secretary, Leena Shashindran. Your projects have all been so noteworthy, and you have maintained the ideals of InnerWheel, which are mainly to promote true friendship and encourage ideals of personal service. My heartfelt congratulations to both of you and your team of office bearers. Now, our District 320 is going to have its assembly, DIA, that is the 51st InnerWheel District Assembly, is going to be held tomorrow. Don't forget to log in on, that is 21st Tuesday, 4:45 p.m. via Google Meet. I hope to meet you all there tomorrow. I will be installed as your district secretary. Thank you. Best wishes to team Greater Cochin.
Thank you so much, District Secretary Asha Sunil, for that lovely felicitation. And we are so glad you could come here today and present all this to get here itself. Thank you so much. Now,
my pleasure.
So I request our CGR Sajani Toby to felicitate the function. She'll be doing it online.
Respected President Shyamala Gopakumar, immediate past President Maya Jairaj, District Chairman Dipti Anu, District Secretary Asha Sunil, past District Chairman Padmaja S. Menon, all the past District Chairman, Presidents and Secretaries of Sister Clubs, all dignitaries, guests, and my dear InnerWheel sisters. Outgoing President Maya, Leena, and her team had done an excellent job during their term. Congratulations, Maya and team. One of their commendable projects, Sanjeevani, will remain an inspiration for many clubs for a long time. They have truly held up our team. Together we can. I'm sure the newly installed President Shyamala and her team is just as capable as their predecessors. They have started a number of projects of their own. All the very best for the President and her team for the year 2020-21. It will be a great honor to work with you all in the coming year. I assure my wholehearted support to you and your team. Let us lead the change in our communities at the testing time like this. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, CGR Sajani Toby. And yes, we are actually following all the rules and regulations here itself in this function. And now I call upon PDC Shashikala Joy to felicitate the function.
Shashikala.
Okay, can you all hear me now? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I couldn't hear what you were saying, so I didn't know if you were calling me for the felicitation. I'm sorry if I've caused problems. So to begin with, I'd like to congratulate Maya, Leena, and their team. Listening to your report, so many projects, so many beneficiaries. A hearty congratulations to the whole team. You've done a great job last year, Maya, and you can be proud of yourself when you hand over your place to Shyamala. So congratulations, Maya. Congratulations, Leena, and the whole team of Greater Cochin, because everybody participated in the projects. And Maya and Leena, I got the opportunity to meet both of you and interact with you when you came for our chairman's visit, and then we went for the boat ride. That was a lovely experience, and it was so nice meeting both of you. So congratulations to you once again, Maya. And also on the personal front, I heard you become a grandmother. So you handed over the pin to take on another pin. Congratulations and enjoy yourself with that little angel. Coming to Shamla. Shamla, congratulations on taking up this post. This is the second time round. Only thing, situation is different. Rightly, like you said in your speech, times have changed. We can't do anything about that. But how we approach it, we can change. And you've rightly done that. Shamla and your team already, you've done so many projects. Congratulations to you. And you've already adjusted to the new normal. And you're doing really well. I don't think you're going to have any glitches this year. So congratulations, Shamla and your team. And one thing, while I was seeing the photos posted on the various groups, I was quite upset because a few club installations, they were not bothered with the masks or social distancing. Seeing your installation has really made me so happy. You're really good. Congratulations to you. So I was thinking all this time, see, from March to July, all the clubs, I think, have done projects related to COVID-19. We've distributed sanitizers, masks, face shields. Some clubs have given PPE. See, if we do all this and we ourselves don't practice what we should be doing, the whole purpose of the project is lost. But you all have done a great job. You're showing the rest of Innerwheel what wearing a mask and social distancing is. And congratulations to you. I was thinking, if each club could get somebody to talk to their members about the awareness of wearing masks, that would be really good. On few occasions which I've gone out, I've seen people wearing the mask, but it's either hanging from their ear or it's on their chin. It's not worn properly. The very purpose of that mask is destroyed. So I think all of us can really do something to create awareness. I was thinking, we all do projects in schools. Why not take an awareness class for teachers who in turn can take awareness classes for their children? They get only 30 minutes, 45 minutes class per time, but the last 2-3 minutes, teachers can create awareness. And online teaching has become so innovative. Teachers have so many ideas. One week they could take a class, next week there could be a quiz competition. Another week it could be a small project presented by one of their students. I think we have to go on and on repeating, because it has to become a habit, this wearing face mask and social distancing. This is a new norm. We are not used to it. We are not in the habit. When we walk out of our homes, we very, very rarely forget to take our mobile. In the same way, we've got to take the mask, wear it, think of social distancing. That's the only way we can keep ourselves, our family, and people around us safe. So next time you step out of the house, all of you who are listening, wear your mask. Even if everybody around you is not wearing one, don't bother. You are wearing it because you are a responsible citizen, a well-informed, empowered lady who cares about the people around her, her family, and she likes to look after herself. So wear the mask, stay safe. All of you, hope we will be able to meet in the real physical world sometime, and all this virtual stuff will get over. Till then, wish Shamla and her team all the very, very best, and bye.
Hello, thank you, Shashikala. Our district secretary, Asha, and PDC, Patmaja is here, so we can't break any rules. So we are following all the norms. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashikala Joy. That was actually kind of a fresh breath of air I think we got from you and all the information. Thank you so much. Now, representing all our sister clubs, we now have past District Chairman Sheila Philip, who is also the President of Cochin West, to tell us more about her, as she had joined the club at the age of 20. That is one other news I wanted to tell you about. And then now she has an experience of more than 40 years in this field. So I think that deserves a big hand of applause, because over here we are all applauding you. And so we are very happy to be hearing your felicitation.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're
Hello?
very audible. Hi.
Hi. President Shamla Gopkumar, immediate past President Maya Jayaraj, dignitaries of Innerwheel, and friends. I am happy that my good friend Shamla has taken the reins of the Innerwheel Club of Greater Cochin for the second time in these different, rather changed times. She's a multifaceted lady and ensures her commitment whatever she takes up. And she's a true leader and a guarantor of results on behalf of the organization she represents. Now we have adapted to the virtual world, which is unknown to many of us. The line of life of which we have been following has stopped. So this year, we have to find innovative steps and ideas to lead the change envisaged by our International Innovale President, Dr. Beena Vyas. So what I have to say is, this year, we have to spread good vibes, think positive, stay safe, and enjoy Innovale. Shamla has already started her work in right earnest, so I know that she is going to take the club to greater heights. All the very best, Shamla. The year gone by under immediate past President Maya Jayaraj and Secretary Reena Shashindran was a glorious one which led the club to greater heights. Maya's passion and compassion in leading the club led to the culmination of so many noteworthy projects. I, on behalf of the sister clubs of Group 2, would like to congratulate Maya Jayaraj and team for completing a successful and fruitful year. Once again, all the very best to President Shamla Gopakumar and team for 2020-2021. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your felicitations. Now, Rotary Club of Greater Cochin President, Rotarian Krishna Das, will be delivering his felicitation.
Am I audible? Can you hear?
You are. Yes, you are very audible.
Good evening to the newly installed 31st President of Innerville, Greater Cochin, Shamala Gopakumar, Secretary Anita Thomas, and all the dignitaries of Innerville. I'm very thankful to the President for inviting me for this colorful function of President installation of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin. Your club was started in the year of 1989-90 with 20 members under the presidentship of Indira Vijayan as the charter president. Today, this club is having 52 members and you have completed a lot of projects in and around the city, including social service activities. As the president of Parent Club Rotary Greater Cochin, I wish President Shamla Gopakumar and her team a very successful year, Rotary year 2021. I, as the president of Rotary Greater Cochin, assure you all cooperation and support throughout the year. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much. Now we are coming to the fag end of our function. Last but not the least, I request Secretary Anita Thomas to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, respected ladies. As we come close of this year's installation ceremony of new office bearers, as the Secretary of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin and on the behalf, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this memorable occasion. I extend my heartfelt thanks to District Secretary Asha Sunil for taking time out and being here with us today on this memorable occasion. I would also like to express my thanks to CGR Sajini Toby and PDCs Sheila Philip and Shashikala Joy for their wonderful felicitation speech. I would like to thank all the past district chairmen for joining us today, and I especially thank the past district chairman Padmaja Menon for gracing the occasion and collaring our president Shamla Gopakumar. Our sincere thanks to President of Rotary Club of Greater Cochin, Rotarian Krishna Das, and Secretary Rotarian Sandeep for joining with us today. We are extremely thankful to all our sister club presidents and secretaries for being with us today. A very special thank you to all the Innerville Sisters of Greater Cochin for coming and being a part of this occasion today, and also to those who have joined us otherwise. A special mention to our member, Gauri Sharath, for beautifully coordinating this event. Thank you, Gauri. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Jison for his technical support and assistance. We would also like to extend a big thank you to Hotel Tribute Royal and all its staff for their help and hospitality. On behalf of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, I would like to thank our past president Maya Jayaraj and the team for the wonderful and fruitful year. This vote of thanks would not be complete without expressing our heartfelt thanks to our President Shyamala Gopakumar for her immense dedication and for executing this event so beautifully even during such a difficult time. Finally, I leave you this beautiful quote by Dalai Lama: "The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation." Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Ladies, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Secretary Anita, for that inspiring speech. As actually, vote of thanks is the last one in the function, but actually we have VIP online, so we would like to hear her felicitations also. Yes, just a second. I request our District Chairman, Mrs. Deepthi Anup, to felicitate the gathering. She just came online. I'm so sorry. We missed you at the beginning.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, sorry, I was not able to come on this thing on the video. Congratulations, enthusiastic, bubbly Maya Jayaraj. It was a great year. Together, you have done a great job. Congratulations. Shyamala Gopakumar, another round of leadership that you have this year, this time to lead the change. Best wishes for a successful and a memorable year. Am I?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't come on video or this thing. I joined in late. Hello.
It's our pleasure to have you here, even though we would have loved to see your beautiful self, but the sound is okay.
Yeah, this time just 1 second.
Oh, you are coming?
Yes.
Okay, super. That was a
yes.
joyful moment.
Yes, thank you. All the best.
Thank
All
you
the
so
best,
much.
Shyamala aunty.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
We actually missed
Thank you, Deepthi.
Thank you.
So that was a VIP. Better late than never, right?
Thank you,
Okay, so
Padmaja, for pulling me in. Thank you.
thank you so much. And that actually comes, I would also, because we could interfere in this, we would also like to thank everyone who has chatted in the side. Everyone is congratulating Shyamala Gopakumar for this lovely meeting, the lovely year you are going to represent. So you can actually say a few words to them, thanking everyone who has messaged and, please. Okay, she told me, yes, I am on behalf of our President Shyamala Gopakumar. Thank everybody who has messaged us with all the wishes. Thank you so much. Now we have come to the end of the function. Please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
request for our new President Shamla Gopakumar to adjourn the meeting.
Installation meeting of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin is adjourned.
Thank you everyone for coming online and making this function a huge success. Thank you so much.